We'll show you how to replace the OPPO Reno 8T 5G back panel, step by step and easy to follow. Power off the device completely, always start safe. Apply heat around the back panel at 100 degrees Celsius. This softens the adhesive. Use a mobile panel opener to gently lift and remove the back panel. It's glued tightly. Back panel is plastic. Remove it slowly using a mobile panel opener to avoid damage.